Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stalker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the env command. The most useful thing it does is to provide information on your shell environment when you're working on the Linux command line. Type env and you should see a long list of settings, such as these. I'm going to pipe this to more. And you can see we see our shell, our home directory, or the directory actually that we're sitting in, our log name, our home directory, and list of screen colors, and the output goes on probably for another page or so. Lots of information to look at there. You can display a particular setting with the env command, but it's really easier to use echo. So, for example, we can use env and grep path like that, or we can just say echo $path. Now, the env command also plays another role. You can use it to run a command in an altered environment. For example, to run a command with a limited search path, you could do something like this. env, but the path is going to be only the local bin directory, and then we're going to run the command date. And you can see it gives us very different output than we'd expect from the date command. If you use the env command with a -C option, you'll run the command as if you were currently in that directory. And here's a simple example of that. env-c, and we're going to give a temp directory. And then we're going to enter the name of the command that we're going to run. No, I want to run pwd. And you can see it tells us we're in temp MITRE, we're really here, but we were running with that assumption that we were sitting in that directory because of use of this -C. The env command is primarily used to display environment variables, but as you see, it does have some interesting options for running commands in altered environments. Well, that's your Linux tip for the env command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.